I am very happy, we're very happy, maybe maririnig din mamaya si Kashane. Mas younger siya sa akin, and she has a lot of testimonies to tell. Baka mas mayayanig mamaya ang maririnig mula sa kanya. Ang message ko lang is very clear. Napakagandang pagkakataon po ito upang mag-unite ang buong bayan at ang gobyerno, ang Senado, ang Kongreso, ang Executive, and even the Judiciary for us to stand against the CPP and PNDF. Sa tanong, sir, from the perspective of a former cadre, anong kapabilidad ng CPP and PNDF? They cannot overthrow the government, but they can make Smart and Globe pay 200 million more every year combined. Is that not a threat? They can make 300 to 400 million from the NGO racket coming
I'm
inside.
telling you that's an open secret.
Yeah. Correct po. And they can make AAA contractors na gumagawa ng mga airport, ports, mga yan.
Again, that's an